A common task on the Splunk SOAR platform is installing a new app or updating existing apps. Apps extend the Splunk SOAR platform by integrating third-party security products and tools. It's very straightforward to do this by going to the main menu and looking under Apps. There will be 3 buttons in the upper right. We can either manually install an app by clicking the Install App button in the upper right and upload it from our computer. We can click App Updates, which will check our system for available apps, and then look on the Splunk SOAR portal for any updates available. We can either update them one at a time or update them all at once. And we can click New Apps to see what apps are now available that we don't have already, again being able to install all of those together or one at a time. We currently offer more than 350 pre-made apps that are accessible right now. However, if you do want to create an app for a new tool, you can do that using the App Wizard. The App Wizard gives you the ability to quickly and easily start building out a new app for Splunk SOAR. Now, what you get from this once you go through and configure these actions will be a basic Python script in a JSON file. Together, these will form 80% of what you need to fully build out your new app. In order to do the rest, it will require a bit of Python coding, but this App Wizard gets you well on the way of being able to quickly and easily create new apps for Splunk SOAR.